What's up guys, my name is Karol and welcome to Ads Courses, a place where you can learn the best digital marketing and web analytics tricks. Are you struggling with making constant changes to your ads and keeping them updated? Today you're gonna learn how to use Ads Customizers, an advanced Google Ads feature that will save you a lot of time when it comes to updating your ads. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe and like button. Okay, so are you ready to learn something new? Just hold on to your hats and let's start. Okay, before we begin to create our Ad Customizers data file, let's have a look at the official documentation. I will post a link to it in the description of this video. And here are some elements that you should be aware of before you actually create your own file. So let's run through them now. So first of all, after you expand this element over here, you can find Ad Customizers data template file. So I will recommend that you actually download this file and create your own file based on this example. So let's just download this file now. And after you download this file and open it in Excel, it will look like this. You will have some columns and an instruction over here. And here you have the example of a text attribute. This is an example of a number attribute, another text attribute, a price attribute, and date attribute. And here you have the targeting attributes examples. So it's better to actually download the file and make changes in this file and save it as your own data set. Okay, another important section is in here. Here you have the specification for the customizer data file, and you have the language, it's codes over here. But most important are the three elements over here. You've got the attribute types. We've got 4 attribute types available, and it's a text attribute, number, price, and date attribute. And here you have the examples how they can be created. Another important aspect is the standard attributes. So these are the standard attributes that you can use. So it's a device preference, scheduling, start date, end date, custom ID, and target location restriction. You may actually need them, but they are not required. And here you have the targeting attributes. So you can use the target keyword attribute to actually target the ad customizer for certain keywords. And if you use this attribute, you should place the keywords in the file with the match type characters. So if you want to use it in flowers in exact match keyword, you should use these exact match characters and place it like this in your file. Another way to target your keywords is by using the target keyword text attribute alongside with target keyword match type attribute. So you can place your keyword, for example, flowers without the exact match characters, but you need to use the target keyword match type attribute and the value exact, for example. I actually prefer to use this option with target keyword text and match type. And you have the target ad group attribute and target campaign attribute if you want to target your customizers on a ad group level or a campaign level. If you want to use the target ad group attribute, you should use it alongside with target campaign attribute. And we have the target location and target location restrictions. Okay, so just have a look at the documentation, be aware of the standard attributes and the targeting options that we have here. And now let's just create our own data set. Okay, so this is my example of Ad Customizers data file, and this is a very simple example just to show you how to use these attributes. And here I have the model attribute, which is a text attribute, and we have car models, and then we have the number attribute, which is a seats, number of seats, and we have the price attribute, which is the price of the model, and we have the target campaign attribute, and target ad group attributes are over here. So these are the actual ad group names, and this is an actual campaign name over here. And you could use the target keyword over here or target keyword text alongside with target keyword match type if you want. I won't use it here. I will just use it on an ad group level. Your file may be much bigger than this example, and after you finish, just save it as CS file. And now I will show you how to upload this file into your Google Ads account. Okay, so after you log into your account, go to the Tools and Business Data over here. And I actually uploaded this file before, but I will show you how to do this You have the Add Customizer Data option over here. Let's just select this. You give your file a name. Okay, and let's choose the file from our computer. And you can hit the preview button and it will show you more details, how it will look after you upload it. So you will have our model, attribute, seats, price, targeting attributes, and the status, which is successful. This will show you actually if the file format is okay, and you can hit the apply file over here. And you can open the file now, and this is how it looks. We've got our columns, which are the attributes, and you can change them over here. You can change the number of seats, you can change the price, and this will actually change the prices that are in your ads. And this is the status, and it's under review now, and you've got all the targeting options over here. So it looks okay. And now I will show you how to create ads that are using the Ad Customizer's functions. So let's go to our demo campaign over here. And as you can see, I have my ad groups that I used in the file. So let's select this one. And I've actually created an ad that is using the Ad Customizers. So let's edit it and see how it's built. So as you can see, I'm using the Ad Customizers in my headline one and in my description one, 2 times. Okay, so let's just delete this. And if you want to start creating the Ad Customizer function, you do it like this, and now you can select the Ad Customizer, and it will show you your data files over here. I have 2, so let's select this one, for example, and now you can select the attribute from your file. So let's say it could be the model, right? And it's finished. This is how your function will look, for example, and you can place a text after this or before this function and create a headline. And this is an example of how you can use this. So this is how it's built. You've got an equals, and here you have your data file name, and now you have dot, and now you have a name of your attribute over here, and the rest of the ad text. And here we have another example, and we have our seats attribute over here, which is a number, and we have another example, Ad Customizer 1 file and dot and price attribute, which is a price attribute, and the rest of the ad text. And in this example, it will work like this. This will be replaced with a car model. So for example, it will be a Citroën, and in this example, this will be replaced with number of seats, and this will be replaced with a price related to a certain model, of course. And after you click the save, it will create the ad, and you can actually copy these ads using Google Ads editor, and you can create ads that are using ad customizers in Excel if you want to, create them in bulk, which I would actually recommend, and this is how you do it. Okay, so now you know how to save hours of time while updating your ad text and not to reset your quality score. That's all for today. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to watch more tutorials like that, and see you in the next episode. Bye!